Hey there, YouTube enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super handy feature on YouTube TV for 2025. How to set your favorite channels. Whether you're binge watching your favorite shows or catching up on live sports, marking channels as favorites makes everything quicker and more personalized. This update in 2025 has made the process even smoother, so let's get right into it. First off, make sure you're logged into your YouTube TV account on your device, whether that's a smart TV, phone, or computer. Once you're in, head over to the main menu by clicking the three horizontal lines in the top left corner. This is your gateway to all the settings and features. Next, scroll down and select Library or Guide, depending on your interface, but it's usually right there. In the Guide section, you'll see a list of all available channels. Now, here's the fun part. Hover over or tap on the channel you want to add as a favorite. Look for the star icon or a Add to Favorites option that pops up. It's that simple. Just click it, and boom, it's saved. If you want to manage your favorites, go back to the menu and find the Favorites tab. Here, you can rearrange the order, remove channels, or add more. YouTube TV in 2025 has also added some cool filters, so you can categorize by genre or recency. Remember, this feature syncs across devices, so your favorites will show up wherever you log in. One quick tip. If you're using the mobile app, the steps are almost identical. Just tap the profile icon, go to Settings, and find the Favorites section. It's all about making your viewing experience tailored to you. There you have it. Setting up favorite channels on YouTube TV is straightforward and a game changer for 2025. If you follow these steps, you'll save tons of time scrolling. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and let us know in the comments what other features you'd like us to cover. See you next time.